In today's video, I'm going to teach you Open Genspark AI meeting notes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a meeting, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and turn that conversation into a clean, shareable record. This is perfect for keeping everyone aligned, cutting down on manual note taking, and making follow ups simple and accurate. First, open Genspark AI meeting notes. You can use the web app or the desktop app if you have it installed. Give the interface a second to load so everything is ready to go. It helps to close extra tabs and quiet notifications so you can focus and the recording is uninterrupted. Next, start a new meeting note or recording session. Look for the option that creates a fresh note, and then choose to begin recording if you're capturing a live discussion. Before you proceed, make sure your microphone is selected and working. A brief mic check is always worth it, and if your device asks for permission to access the mic, allow it so the audio can be captured properly. Now let Genspark capture the meeting audio. Speak clearly, avoid talking over others when possible, and keep the microphone close enough to pick up voices without background noise. If people join remotely, remind them to unmute and use headsets when they can. The clearer the audio, the better the notes will be. Once the meeting wraps or as it processes, wait for Genspark to generate the summary, main points, and action items. This usually only takes a moment. The tool analyzes the conversation, highlights key decisions, and extracts the tasks that need follow-up, so you don't have to sift through the entire recording yourself. When the notes are ready, review the notes and discussion topics. Skim the summary first to confirm it reflects the goals and outcomes. Then scan the main points to ensure the most important ideas and decisions are captured. Finally, look over the action items to confirm they're accurate and complete. If you spot anything off, edit anything that needs correction. Fix names or terminology, clean up acronyms, and clarify any ambiguous statements. You can expand on context for tricky topics, add missing due dates, or consolidate duplicate points so the final document is easy to read. When you're satisfied, share the final meeting notes when they are ready. Use the built-in share options or export if you prefer to send them another way. Distribute them to your team and you're done. Everyone has a clear, concise record and a list of next steps.